Smart Culture, Mathematics.
Let's take a look at the linear correlation coefficient R. So what we'll do now is we'll take a look at the function of this coefficient. This coefficient measures the strength and direction of the linear relationship between two variables. So the value of R ranges between -1 and 1. An R value close to 1 indicates a strong positive linear correlation, meaning that as one variable increases, the other variable also tends to increase. An R value close to -1 indicates a strong negative linear correlation, meaning that as one variable increases, the other variable tends to decrease. An R value around 0 indicates no linear correlation, meaning there is no discernible linear relationship between the two variables. Scatter plots visually represent the relationship between two variables. Each point represents an observation with coordinates corresponding to its value of the two variables. Let's take a look at a few examples of scatter plots. A plot with an R value of approximately 0.9 would show points that are closely aligned in a positive slope direction, indicating a strong positive correlation. An R value of approximately 0.7 suggests a fairly strong positive correlation, but with more spread among the points. An R value of approximately 0.4 indicates a weaker positive correlation with even more spread. An R value of approximately -0.7 indicates a fairly strong negative correlation with the points having a negative slope. An R value of approximately -0.4 shows a weaker negative correlation with a noticeable spread of data points. Let's take a look at the last one. Here you will see the R value is equal to 0, and this indicates no correlation. And you will see that the scatter plot would show a very dispersed set of points with no apparent pattern. Remember, correlation is used to assess whether there is a statistical relationship between two variables, but it does not imply causation. Just because two variables are correlated does not mean that one causes the other to change. This is very important to take note of.
And that's a wrap on today's fascinating journey through the world of knowledge. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our ever-growing community of curious minds. We can't wait to embark on new educational adventures together.